Hey friends, this is Brandon from This Is Tech Today, and Fortnite just became available for the Pixel 2 XL. So I thought I'd take a break from
in my garage. Just got this new Lamborghini.
Filming a review of the Lenovo Smart Display and show you how to install it safely on your Pixel 2 XL and give you a little idea of what the performance looks like. Make sure that you follow the instructions exactly because there's a lot of really shady options out there and you could really end up downloading a virus. So let's get right into it. Alright, so we have the Pixel 2 XL right here. So if you want to play Fortnite, you want to go to Fortnite.com. So it's the official website. So there is no way to download Fortnite on the Play Store. Anything that's there is fake. You can download an APK from Android Police, so that is one option. But essentially what you do is you go on here, you sign up for the email invite, and then you'll get an email invite. And they send you a link here. Click on Get Started, hit Get Started, and download the installer. So if you haven't already installed something on Chrome, you'll have to give it permission to do so. I've already given it permission, so it'll go right to this install right here. So this is the installer to download Fortnite itself. Then it's preparing the download. For your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from the source. So click on Settings and then give it permission. Click on Install Pixel 2 XL just to verify that. And here it is. It's going to download all the information. I've never played this before, so this is gonna be really embarrassing. Yeah, you can totally make fun of me. This is gonna be bad. Never played it. Oh god. Do I shoot them? Seems to run pretty smooth. Oh my god. What is going on? How do I get a weapon? Man, I need a weapon. Oh, see that lag? Pretty rough. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's laggy. Did I die? I don't know what that was. Maybe Pixel devices are not the best for gaming, I guess. But some of the Galaxy S9 Plus and the Note series and things like that have 6 gigabytes of RAM compared to the 4 gigabytes that you find here in the Pixel 2 XL, so that's probably a bit more suited for gaming. But I also haven't restarted the phone before playing this, so it may not perform as well. Oh, this is rough. Freezing again. Oh wait. I can't see anything. We'll restart the phone and see if it performs any better. Okay, it seems to be running a bit smoother now that I've restarted my phone, but I feel like you shouldn't have to restart your phone in order for it to run smoothly. So remember, I'm at 30 frames per second at the lowest setting in order to get this kind of smoothness. Wait, how do I get out? Oh no. Okay. Wait, no, I don't want this. Oh. Well, there it is, guys. Yeah, so I don't really know how to play this thing, but as you can see, it does work. You have to have the lowest settings in order for it to work, and you may have to restart your phone in order to get to work. Also, if you have the Pixel 2 XL and you've had that speaker issue where it's crackling, you'll end up hearing a lot of buzzing there, but it does work on here. Alright, just to show you, I'm on the latest version of Android Pie, so I have my digital well-being there. I also have a video on that if you have not seen it, but yeah, here we are. We're on the latest version of Android 9 with the latest security patch. So I wouldn't say that this is the best choice if you're planning on gaming on your Pixel 2 XL. It's just not like super strong like the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or the brand new Note 9. So keep that in mind. But if you don't want to buy a new phone, which I don't blame you, this might be a great option for it. So hopefully I didn't embarrass myself too much. It's mainly to help you out rather than show off how good I am at Fortnite, because I'm not good at it at all. But I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can be notified of when I post a review of the Lenovo Smart Display, and share this with some other people just to make sure that they get the right information and their phones are not downloading viruses and things like that. I want to make sure that you're taken care of. All right, thanks for watching This Is Tech Today. Until next time.